Okay, so as you know, there's been the massive floods up in Sumatra, and if you go to any J&E office, which is like J&E, they send stuff like it's a cargo type company. Any J&E or accept anything you want, they're sending it straight up to Sumatra. So we've done our little bit. We've gone through all our clothes. We've just got it back from the laundry, and anything you can send. So we've gone to the chemist and got a bunch of antibiotics and vapor rub, baby stuff, baby porridge, shampoo, women's pads, just little things of energy drinks, and we've got a whole bag full of babies' nappies, coffee, things like that. And this is all shorts and clothes and that we didn't need. Now we're just going to drop them down at the J&E, and soap, Head and Shoulders, like shampoos. So this didn't cost us much. What did it cost us? Like 20 bucks or 30 bucks to send this away. Help the people in Sumatra. If anyone's interested in doing that and you're in Bali, go to any J&E, take what you want, and they'll send it straight up to Sumatra, because the people are hurting up there at the moment. The military's airdropping supplies off by military airplanes and things like that. There's a lot of people still stranded. So get on with it. Help out if you can. Yeah, it's for a good cause. So it's basically you can only send 10 kilos at a time. So we're trying to get up to 10 kilos and send it off. To me, it's nothing, and to them, it's $1 million. So for them. So get with the program. If you're in Bali, go to any J&E office. Just drop anything you want, from clothes to food to anything. It'll be sent straight to Sumatra. So this is only going on till the 8th or 10th of December. So J&E is sending up there, everything up there free. So anyway, thought I'd just let you know about that, and get with the program, help out if you can. Thank you from SouthernCrossGO. So apparently they're in desperate need of men's clothes, because everyone's sending dresses and things like that up, kids' clothes, and the men have got nothing, but the women, apparently a lot of the men up there are even wearing dresses, because they've just got no clothes or no nothing. They've lost everything in the flood. So yeah, get with the program, help out if you can. Thank you.